What's up guys, this is Mr. Erdogan. You're watching Music with Mr. Erdogan. Today we're going to be learning all about 16th notes, what they are, how they sound, and how to play them. Okay, so what you're looking at here are 16th notes. So you can tell that these are 16th notes because they have either two hooks coming off the side, or when put together, they have two lines at the top. Usually you'll find 16th notes in groups of 4, simply because if you split one beat into 16th notes, you'll get 4 of them. So let's review some notes and compare them to what we've learned. So by now you should know that this is a quarter note. The quarter note has no hook at the top and is just the stick and ball and is worth 1 beat. Now if we split that into 2, we get faster sounding notes, which are called 8th notes. 8th notes have 1 hook and are each half a beat long, so often when you see 8th notes, you'll usually see them come in pairs. Now if you split those 8th notes into 2, each of those turn into 16th notes, which are played twice as fast as our 8th notes, and 4 times as fast as quarter notes. And remember, 16th notes have 2 hooks. That's how we know they're 16th notes. Now let's have a listen to what each of these sound like and compare them to one another. First, let's hear what quarter notes sound like. Listen for the bass drum keeping the tempo and the clave that is playing the notes. Now let's have a listen to 8th notes, which will be 2 in every beat. Now let's review what 8th note triplets sound like, and remember there are 3 of those in a single beat. And now let's hear the 16th notes, which have 4 in a single beat. So now let's try to play them. And just like last time, we're going to use a modified version of Hot Cross Buns, and this time it's going to be called Hot Cross Sixteenths. Let's have a listen. Now, if you've gotten this far and you haven't started to tongue your notes yet, playing 16th notes will be almost impossible. So if you haven't started to tongue your notes while playing, please go check out my 7th recorder lesson. I'll link that up in the top right and as well in the comments below. Now let's slow it down a bit and try to play it ourselves. This time I'm not going to put the recorder notes on the right side of the screen because if you've gotten this far into my recorder lessons, you should probably be a pro at playing BAG songs. Okay, let's start at a tempo of 60 beats per minute. Now let's try 70 BPM. Now 80 BPM. And just for the fun of it, let's kick it up to 100. See if you can keep up. Alright guys, that's it for today. Now if you have any difficulty playing these exercises, just rewind the video, play them over and over again until you're feeling better, and then move on to the next video. Now if you liked this video and you found it helpful, please hit that like button below. Also hit that subscribe button while you're there. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video.